Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a crocheter, you have probably run into this common problem. Your crochet circles just won't lie flat, though you have exactly followed the increasing pattern. Instead of a nice smooth disc, they might end up curling, puckering, or even turning into a weird bow shape. And even when you have trained to a stitch increase every round or use a bigger hook, the circle is still pointy. Well, today I will tell you the tip that solves the problem. But first of all, I will show you again the circle patterns for different stitches. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. Okay, so I will go straight to the tutorial. I know crocheters have a fear of making loose stitches, so people tend to make a too tight tension on the working yarn. So don't make it too tight. You must be able to slide the hook easily. So keep that in mind. Next, when making a circle, pay attention to the position of your hook. This is not recommended. You may notice the hook is pointing towards the circle's center, which makes your double crochet shorter and smaller. Then watch this. Do you notice I pull it up a little bit? So instead of this, I do this. The hook should be horizontal. It's kind of tangent to the circle. So if you've tried everything else, give this the last try. Trust me, this won't be a big difference. Oh, and it works for all the stitches: single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, and so on. With a little practice, I hope you can master a flat circle after watching this video. Have a great day. I'll be back soon. Happy crocheting!